EcoShield today.
Well, back to where she started, and this time she's creating the lesson plans.
That's right. A former welding student turned instructor is sharing a wealth of knowledge to welcome more women. And she's why I'm saying good for her.
These are the moments that get Miranda Kotarba
Helmets down.
even more fired up.
That's what keeps me going. That's what keeps me here, is just trying to get as many women through the door and showing them you can do this.
She loves introducing people.
Now it's hot right now because the arc, remember the arc that just came out of this thing, of the wire, is hotter and brighter than our very own sun.
To the world of welding.
You come here, okay, you learn how to weld, it can take you anywhere. You have job security. You can always provide for yourself. You can always provide for your family.
Miranda graduated from Alamance Community College in 2018 and is back as an instructor.
Yeah, you'll be all right, see? Just like that.
So I just thought trying something really out of my realm and getting into something different, a little more industrial than what I'm used to would be fun.
Like I said, she was patient with us, understanding that, we've never done this before.
They're looking like, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna catch on fire, that the worst is gonna happen. And then we get down to it, I explain everything, we talk through it, we joke, we're jovial with it. It's just we're hanging out, we're having a good time. But we're still learning.
Miranda is sharing what she's learned from 5 years of field experience.
I've welded tiny parts for GE. I have done a lot of aluminum welding for tanks, like compressed air vessels. I used to work at John Deere where we built excavators. I worked on 470s, which were the side frame, and it was the largest side available that we had. And then I worked at a company where we built smokers and industrial side smokers and cookers.
She wants to show ladies that welding could give them a greater sense of financial stability and more flexibility to pivot.
Whenever COVID hit and we didn't have classes, I didn't work for that summer, that's when I went to make smokers and cookers. I didn't have a job here, but I could still go out and I could still work.
All of these women who gave it a go for the first time
Whenever we go to start again, you're going to maintain that height.
were pleased with the results.
I think it's a great opportunity for young girls to experience skilled trades.
Yeah, it was fun. It was great. I'll go back and maybe be a welder one day. I don't know, but here you're going to learn how to do it correctly.
Yay! Do you see it now? And listen to this, Miranda is also a blacksmith and teaches classes in that skill too. To register in Alamance Community College's Welding Technology program, just visit alamancecc.edu and click where it says Skilled Trades under the Degrees and Programs tab.